Folks, we have a winner here today. The GOAT, the greatest of all time, 1967 GTO. This car has been meticulously body off frame rotisserie restored, only 1,500 miles on it since it's been done. Loaded up with some nice options, rally gauges, has a dual gate shifter, and under the hood is its original HO motor, the 400, 360 horsepower. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Scan the QR code on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is one of the exceptional ones. You know, I know cars. I've been around cars. This is a good one here, folks. The body, he said it took him 12 years to restore it. It was on a rotisserie, so they could work on it at every angle. It is absolutely straight. Every square inch of this is straight. The gaps are spot on, all square, all looking real good. The fender is pristine, absolutely nice, clean. The pillars, the doors, all of it is amazing. They open up so easily. Look at the jams. Look at the bottom of the door. It's amazing. Has what they call the Coke bottle quarter panels, and all this is, I mean, absolutely straight. Again, the gaps are precise. It's phenomenal. The more I'm looking at, the more and more I'm liking it. All of this absolutely straight. Again, every square inch is absolutely straight. I have yet to find a bubble, a crack, a wave, a funny area. I haven't found anything. Here's a little nick in the pinstripe, but not in the paint of the car. All this is pristine. This door opens up so easily. The jam is slick as can be. The jams are glossy. So absolutely phenomenal body. It's repainted its original Tyrol Blue. It has really fine metallic, and it has a clear coat that's polished like glass. So this is a mirror. Front to back, top to bottom, it's a mirror. The pinstripe I talked about is painted on. And then all the chrome, the stacked headlight bezels, the grille, look at the mesh back there, the bumper, the lenses, everything is pristine. Has T3 headlights, the correct reproduction lights. Look how the bumper fits the body. And then the rocker moldings and the wheel well moldings are all pristine. They're like a mirror as well. All the trim on top of the doors, the vent window frame, the moldings, the wiper arms, all of it's beautiful. Has a white convertible top, all restored. It's a power top. There's pictures of that on our website. Factory power rear antenna, which works. The emblems, the bumper, the moldings, all replaced, all fit the car real nicely, all straight, all shiny. Has a remote mirror on this side. We have the Pontiac historical documentation. The car was ordered with these options. It's sitting on Rally 2 wheels, which are restored properly with the correct lug nuts and Pontiac center caps. They're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Even the metal door edge guard is on the paperboard. It's an actual metal one, not the plastic that you get today. And the car came with that. All right, why don't we open it up? I got some more good stuff to show you. All right, let's open the trunk. We were just talking off camera just how nice this car is. I guarantee the next owner is going to be thrilled. So it has the lamp group, so working trunk light. I know this is clear coated. It's glossy. It's got the stickers. Look at the jam, slick as can be. The weather strip is replaced. Inside is all spotless metal with a real nice, neat spatter finish. And there's no spatter overspray on anything. You got the mat, you got the spare and the jack. New well liner that the top sits into. It's a clean and complete trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Yeah, check out those jams. The guy took a lot of pride. It took us a month to buy this car after we agreed to buy it. Guy was very proud of it. Anyway, the jams are slick. The weather strips are replaced. It did have a black interior. He changed it to this white, and it's like a pearl white, so it's all new. The door panels, the armrests, the window cranks, handles, the lock knobs, all that's new. The dash pad is new. It is a factory rally gauge car, but it looks like the gauges may have been redone. Set to 0 at the time of restoration, has 1,500 miles on it. So as the tachometer, the wood grain's been replaced. There's the power antenna switch, an AM/FM radio. It actually came with an 8-track player originally, disappeared at some point. And then under the dash is a temp gauge, a more modern one, probably a little more accurate than the original. You got the grab handle for when you're scaring the passenger. Manuals, new glove box liner, the light works. Nice kick panels, nice carpet, the Pontiac reproduction mats. Center console's real nice. Has the Hearst dual gate. You put it over here if you want to slam shift it. It's notched for that. Or you just put it in drive and go like normal. His and hers shifter, Hearst dual gate shifter. Lots of names for it. The seats have been rebuilt. The spring, the cushion, all feels fresh. And this is, again, like a pearly white interior. Really beautiful. I totally agree with the choice to change that from black. For one, black is super hot when the sun's on it. The light works on the back of the console. Got real nice seat belts, front and back. Interior lights work back here, all upholstered wall to wall. The window cranks, the ashtrays, everything's shiny, everything's nice. It fits right. That's important. A guy can put new seats, new carpets, and none of it fits right. So up here, the visors are redone or replaced. The mirror is new. It's got the deluxe steering wheel. That looks to be like in new condition. Completely disassembled, restored, rebuilt. This is the HO motor, the 400 360 horsepower, and it is the original motor for the car. Not only can we match up all the dates and the code and his Y, I can't read it, but the number above it, that matches the Pontiac historical paperwork. That's the motor unit number that's on the paperwork. That's the original motor for this car. Painted in the correct Pontiac blue, the correct valve covers, even this hose and bracket, carburetor, the choke, all that stuff is correct and proper. It has the 670 heads with the HO manifolds. That's all correct. It looks like reproduction spark plug wires even. The lamp group, so it has the under hood light. All this is done up real nice, painted. He said he had all the fittings and clips and everything all sent out and redone in their proper finishes. It's all painted real nice and fresh. Did upgrade it with an aluminum radiator. GM hose, alternator, power steering, all looks good. Batteries secured, has the spring clamp cables, the washer bottles all hooked up. Power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. The original cowl tag. You can see the hoses. Everything is done neatly. The HO comes with the open element air cleaner as well. Then the hinges and under the hood, the latches, all that is so nice. Very, very nicely done. Has the dust shields over the suspension. All right, Michael's going to demonstrate this one for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Yeah, that number's matching 400 is sounding right. Love the notes of the exhaust. And she is a smooth runner. Really nice restoration. The suspension is feeling amazing. Floating over all these bumps. 3-speed automatic transmission, shifting flawlessly, and this power steering is working nice and fluid. Very easy one-thumb steering. Nice clean idle. The top is down. Doesn't get any better than this. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. That was no sweat for this 400 right here. You feel those 360 horsepower, that's for sure. You know, but it's got a really refined kind of luxury ride quality to it. Very nice and smooth, and it feels a lot like a cruiser, even though it's a real deal muscle car. Somebody's going to get an absolute winner here. This is a top quality restoration. Really set up nicely. Very well dialed in. One thing you got to do is turn the key and go have some fun. You can come take it for a test drive if you'd like to before we park it in your driveway. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So again, I said body off the frame rotisserie restoration. If you've never done one yourself, you'll have no idea how much time and effort it takes to get an end result like this. You can spend literally days just working on the console of the car. So when the body was off, it was flipped upside down, the whole bottom of the car, all pristine metal, painted the same beautiful color, and it's just as glossy underneath the car. Now the frame and suspension, all the components were disassembled, prepped, all painted a nice semi-gloss black like you see in the engine compartment, and all of it rebuilt. Suspension, steering, shocks, bushings, all redone. It has a factory correct dual exhaust system. The GTOs had staggered size mufflers. One's bigger than the other. I don't know why. Only the Pontiacs did it. Why didn't a Chevelle do it? I don't know. And then it also has resonators in the tailpipes. And then those tips coming out the back, those are actually optional exhaust extensions, they call them. The whole brake system's redone. All the lines are replaced. The e-brake cables are replaced. It has disc brakes in front. It was the first year for that. The fuel system is replaced. The tank, the lines, the sending unit. Look up at the motor and the starter and the fuel pump, all looks fresh. It has its original Turbo 400 automatic that was rebuilt. The tag on the side of it is dated 1967. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to its original rear end, has the right codes and dates, and it's a 355 safety track, which is Posi for Pontiac. So again, beautiful colors, nicely optioned. The quality, you'll go look at 100 of them to find one this nice, I guarantee it. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your beautiful GTO delivered home. If you need financing, insurance, anything like that, they'll help out. Thanks for watching.